To make these cookies, you have to add 1 cup of room temperatured butter to the bowl and then whip for at least 2 minutes until it has an off-white color. Then add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Then mix. After that, add 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then after that, add 1/2 teaspoon of ubi extract. Then mix. As for the dry ingredients, add 2 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you are using salted butter, that is optional. Next, add 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. And after that, add about 4 to 5 Oreo cookies smashed into the mixture. Cool beans. Then mix. Now you mix. Now you mix. Now you mix. Now you mix. Oh, can they hear me saying now you mix? Yeah. Hi. Mix now. It smells so good. Right, Mama? It smells so good? Mm-hmm. Good job, Mama. Okay. Yeah. Now we're done mixing. After mixing, roll them into any type of shape you like, and then put about 2 inches away from each other on the baking sheet.
Oh wait, I only need
First, you can start with 1 starter cookie and put it to the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 11 minutes. After that, you can enjoy your nice, warm, soft cookies. Thank you for watching.